Most people have insomnia as a health issue. The fruit of immortality contains the recipe for the miracle tea that cures insomnia. In Asian countries, it is consumed immediately after a meal. It contains high levels of antioxidants. Here is the fruit of immortality with countless benefits, jujube. The jujube fruit is sometimes referred to as the red date, Chinese date, or jujube. Jujube fruit is used both as food and as medicine. There are numerous recipes that use jujube in their ingredients. Jujube extracts are used in skin care products to minimize redness, edema, wrinkles, dryness, and sunburn. For more than 3,000 years, people have consumed and used jujube fruit in traditional medicine. It has gained popularity recently all across the world. It is frequently used in alternative medicine to enhance sleep and lessen anxiety. What are the health benefits of jujube fruits? Are there side effects from eating jujube fruit? How to eat jujube fruit? What vitamins and minerals are in jujube fruit? In this video, we will cover details about the jujube fruit, its nutritional value, benefits, and uses. What are the health benefits of jujube fruits? Animal experiments and other test studies show that this fruit can provide impressive medicinal benefits for your nervous system, immunity, and digestion. Jujube fruit may improve sleep and brain functions. Traditional Chinese medicine uses jujube to support healthy sleep and cognitive function. Jujube is recommended as a tea in alternative medicine in South Korea. This tea entirely eliminates sleeplessness. In rat studies, extracts from the fruit and seeds of jujube were proven to improve the quantity and quality of sleep. It aids the function of the melatonin hormone, which induces sleep and is produced by the pineal gland in the brain. Jujube fruit may reduce anxiety. This fruit is frequently recommended by experts in complementary medicine to ease anxiety. Additionally, research on animals and other test subjects demonstrates that it can enhance memory and support the defense of brain cells against substances that harm neurons. High in antioxidants. Fruits like jujube are a great source of triterpenic acids, polysaccharides, and flavonoids. Some of these substances are antioxidants. Antioxidants are compounds that may stop or postpone certain cell damage, including damage brought on by so-called free radical damage. Smoke from cigarettes, sunshine, and air pollution all expose you to free radicals. Free radicals are also produced by your body during typical metabolic processes. May help with digestion and constipation. Jujube contains a lot of fiber. Dried jujube has 6 grams of dietary fiber per 100 grams. The high fiber content of jujube aids in better digestion. Fruits contain about 50% of their total carbs as fiber, which is well known for helping with digestion. This vitamin helps with softer and more substantial stools. As a result, it speeds up the movement of food through your digestive tract and reduces constipation. Additionally, jujube extracts support the health of your intestines and stomach. It lowers the chance of ulcers, injury, and damage from harmful microorganisms in your stomach. Last but not least, the fiber in jujube serves as nourishment for your good intestinal bacteria. This strengthens the healthy bacteria in the gut flora and prevents the growth of dangerous bacteria. Numerous advantages of a high-fiber diet include: it helps avoid constipation. It makes you feel fuller for a longer period of time, which can help you lose weight. It aids in the improvement of blood sugar levels. Reduces your chances of developing diseases such as colorectal cancer. It reduces the risk of heart disease by lowering your cholesterol. Extract from the jujube fruit may also help with relieving constipation. May boost immunity and fight cancer. Jujube fruit may help strengthen your immune system due to its high vitamin C content. Eating 1 to 3 jujube fruits will provide the recommended daily intake of vitamin C, which is 90 mg for males and 75 mg for women, depending on the size of the fruit. Jujube can boost immunity and inhibit the growth of cancer cells.
According to some reports, the natural sugars in jujube known as polysaccharides help destroy harmful cells and reduce inflammation.
Chronic illnesses like type 2 diabetes are also avoided because of decreased levels of free radicals and inflammation.
Jujube extract strengthens natural killer cells, which may eliminate hazardous invading cells.
Jujube extracts have been shown in several scientific studies to kill a variety of cancer cells, including ovarian, cervical, breast, liver, colon, and skin cancer cells. The jujube fruit's high vitamin C content has already been mentioned above.
Strong anti-cancer capabilities have also been linked to vitamin C. Are there side effects from eating jujube fruit? Jujube has been traditionally used for therapeutic purposes, including as a laxative. While there has been little study on its laxative impact on humans, you should be cautious about how much jujube fruit you consume. According to experts, jujube fruit consumption should be avoided if you use antidepressants like venlafaxine. Jujube could interact with these medicines.
Early animal studies suggest that jujube extract may interact with several seizure medications, such as carbamazepine, phenytoin, and phenobarbital. If you are on any of these drugs and wish to consume jujube fruit or extracts, you should consult your doctor first. How should you eat jujube fruit? Jujube fruit may be consumed raw. Fresh jujubes taste sweet and feel like apples. Jujube fruit is also available dry. These dried Chinese jujubes are known as red dates. Although the dried fruits may be consumed straight away, they are frequently cooked into tea and soups. In cakes and other pastries, dried red dates can be used in place of raisins or palm date fruits. Jujube fruits can also be juiced, candied, roasted, smoked, steeped in liquor, or used to make jams and spreads. What vitamins and minerals are in jujube fruit? Jujube fruit is high in vitamins and minerals and low in calories. A 100-gram serving is about 3 fruits and contains calories, 79. Fat, 0.2 grams. Protein, 1.2 grams. Potassium, 250 milligrams. Vitamin C, 69 milligrams, about 77% of the recommended daily value. Iron, 0.48 milligrams. If you like my video, please press the like button and subscribe to my channel. Stay well, stay healthy. See you on better days.